Hi everyone, my friends. On this channel I'll show you how to create a bootable flash drive with Windows 11 using Rufus. First, we need Windows 11. Let's go to Google and search for Windows 11 download. Go to the official website, select the ISO file here, click Accept, choose your language, and click Next. This is for the system language. Then click Download. Here you can only generally get the 64-bit version. The ISO file will start downloading. While it's downloading, let's download Rufus. Go to Google, type Rufus. Go to the very first site and click Download exe file. Click on it and you'll download a file like this. Let's open it. If I'm going too fast for you, set the speed to 0.5 comma because I do everything pretty quickly. You might not be able to keep up with me. Next, go to My Computer and make sure you've inserted the flash drive. I've inserted the flash drive, right? Insert your flash drive and then we just have to wait until the image finishes downloading. Once the image has downloaded, all we have to do is go into Rufus and select the image from your downloads. There, select Standard Windows Installation, GPT for the disk partitioning scheme, and click Start. Then the installation will proceed and you'll install it for yourself. I just have a small flash drive, only 500 megabytes, so I can't do that. That's it. Well, after completion, just use it. That's all for now. Bye, everyone.